In this video, we will talk about why you should eat 2 eggs daily. There are some facts that I will share with you in this video. Eggs are not only a complete protein, but they are also a complete food. They are low in carbohydrates, high in fat, and contain good quality fat. The protein in eggs is moderate, and this protein is different from proteins from other sources. Its biological value is close to 100. The higher the biological value and bioavailability of any food, the better the body can digest and utilize it. The protein from eggs is superior to the protein from other muscle protein sources like fish, chicken, or beef. It creates less waste compared to other protein sources. This metabolic waste, like urea and ammonium, disrupts glucose levels, raising blood sugar. Compared to other available protein sources, eggs are ranked at number 1. One reason for this is that eggs contain a complete profile of essential amino acids, which are primarily necessary for skin and hair health. Protein in eggs is not only found in egg whites, but also in the yolk. So, if someone is only eating egg whites and not the yolk, they are missing out on additional protein. Besides protein, the yolk also contains fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A. When we talk about vitamin A from eggs, we mean bioavailable vitamin A, which is retinol. Retinol is difficult to find in other foods, but egg yolks contain it. Vitamin A is essential for skin health, as its deficiency causes skin dryness and roughness. It is also crucial for eye health and immune support, helping the body fight off illnesses. Eggs also provide vitamin D, which ranks at the top of the list of important vitamins. If you are vitamin D deficient, your skin becomes more sensitive, prone to rashes, sunburn, and even conditions like psoriasis, a condition that causes scaly patches of skin. Eggs are a rich source of vitamin D, which is important for reducing skin sensitivity and inflammation. Eggs also provide vitamin E, which protects the skin from UV radiation. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from within. Additionally, eggs provide vitamins K1 and K2. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that prevents fatty liver disease, supports brain health, improves mood, and enhances memory. Eggs also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and support skin health. Eggs are loaded with lecithin, which is considered an antidote to cholesterol. So if you avoid eggs due to cholesterol concerns, this concern is unfounded. Lecithin helps neutralizing any excess bad cholesterol in the body. Eggs also provide B vitamins, especially B2, B3, B12, and biotin, which are essential for hair health. When buying eggs, it is better to choose organic free-range eggs, as the hens are raised in a natural environment, allowed to eat insects and grass rather than artificial feed. Now let's talk about egg allergies. If you have an allergy, it is usually caused by proteins in the egg white, not the yolk. So, you can eat the yolk without worrying about an allergic reaction, allowing you to get the protein and other beneficial nutrients mentioned earlier. Eggs are also rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, iodine, and selenium, which are rare in other foods. If you want to see more videos like this, visit the Super Healthy playlist in the playlist section of this channel. If you found this video helpful, share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for joining me today.